Good morning. I am not feeling very well today.
Hello there. You do look a little bit pale.
My head feels very heavy and my throat hurts.
It sounds like you might have a common cold.
I started feeling this way late last night.
Do you have a dry cough or a runny nose?
My nose is very blocked and I keep sneezing.
Sneezing often means your body is fighting a virus.
I also feel very cold, even in this hoodie.
Chills are a very typical sign of a mild fever.
Should I be worried about these strange physical symptoms?
Not at all. These are very simple health problems.
I hope I can get better before the weekend starts.
Most minor illnesses last only a few short days.
Is there something I can take for the headache?
I have several effective options here on the shelf.
I prefer something that does not make me sleepy.
Many modern medicines are designed to keep you awake.
That would be perfect because I have much work.
Working while sick is never a very good idea.
But my boss expects the report by tomorrow afternoon.
Your health should always be your first priority, Lily.
I suppose you are right about taking a break.
Let me check your temperature with this digital device.
It is a very fast and clean contactless thermometer.
Just stay still for a second while it beeps.
What does the small screen say about my heat?
Your temperature is 37.5, a slight fever.
No wonder I feel like a boiling hot kettle.
Let's find the best medicine to help you recover.
Here is a special syrup for your sore throat.
Does it taste like cherries or very bitter medicine?
This one has a pleasant honey and lemon flavor.
I like honey. It always makes my throat feel soft.
You should take 2 spoons every 4 hours exactly.
Can I take it on an empty stomach today?
It is much better to eat some crackers first.
I don't have a very big appetite right lately.
Even a small piece of toast helps your stomach.
What about these bright orange pills for the nose?
Those will help you breathe much more easily soon.
My nose feels like it is full of heavy cotton.
This spray works very fast to clear the blockage.
I am always a little afraid of using nasal sprays.
It is very gentle and contains only natural sea salt.
That sounds much safer than the strong chemical ones.
Use it only twice a day, morning and night.
I will write these instructions down on my phone.
I can also put a sticker on the boxes.
That would be very helpful for my blurry brain.
Being sick makes it hard to remember simple things.
I feel like I am walking through a thick fog.
Rest is the most powerful medicine for your body.
How many hours of sleep do I really need?
Try to get at least 8 or 9 hours.
I usually sleep only 6 hours during the week.
Your immune system needs more time to repair itself.
I promise to go to bed very early tonight.
That is the best decision you can make, Lily.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly to me.
Are you drinking enough water throughout the busy day?
I mostly drink coffee to stay focused at work.
Coffee can actually make your body more dehydrated, unfortunately.
I did not know that about my favorite drink.
You should switch to warm herbal tea for now.
Which type of tea is best for a cold?
Chamomile or ginger tea is excellent for your health.
Ginger is a bit spicy, but very warming inside.
It helps to reduce the inflammation in your throat.
Can I add some fresh lemon and organic honey?
That is the perfect combination for a quick recovery.
I have some fresh lemons in my kitchen fridge.
Vitamin C is essential for fighting off the virus.
Should I take extra vitamin pills as well today?
Fresh fruit is always better than a plastic bottle.
I will buy some oranges on my way home.
Eating a bowl of hot soup is also helpful.
My grandmother always made chicken soup for my colds.
Grandmothers always know the best secrets for good health.
The warm steam from the soup helps my nose.
Exactly, it acts like a natural and gentle inhaler.
I feel hungry just thinking about some warm soup.
That is a good sign that you are healing.
My body is telling me what it really needs.
Listen to your body and do not push yourself.
I often try to ignore the pain and continue.
Ignoring symptoms can make the illness last much longer.
I don't want to be sick for 2 weeks.
Then follow my advice and take it very easy.
I will turn off my computer and just relax.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.
If your fever goes above 38, call a doctor.
I hope it stays low and goes away soon.
Use a cool cloth on your forehead to relax.
My mother used to do that when I was...
It is a very old but very effective method.
Should I keep the windows open for fresh air?
Fresh air is good, but avoid any cold drafts.
I will keep my room warm but not stuffy.
Humidity is also very important for your dry lungs.
I have a small humidifier near my wooden bed.
Turn it on to keep the air moist tonight.
It helps me breathe better during the dark night.
You are already doing many things correctly for health.
I just needed a little professional guidance from you.
That is why I am here in this pharmacy.
Do these pills have any bad side effects lately?
Some people feel a little bit dizzy after taking.
I will stay at home, so dizziness is fine.
Do not drive a car after taking this medicine.
I walked here, so I will walk back slowly.
Walking in the fresh air might feel quite nice.
The sun is shining, but the wind is cold.
Keep your neck covered with a warm wool scarf.
I have a soft blue scarf in my bag.
Wrap it tightly to keep your throat very warm.
You are like a doctor and a friend together.
I enjoy helping my neighbors stay healthy and happy.
This neighborhood is lucky to have your helpful pharmacy.
I try my best to provide the best care.
I feel a little bit more energetic already, Sam.
If you feel pain in your chest, seek help.
That sounds more serious than a simple winter cold.
It is rare, but we must always be cautious.
What if my ears start to hurt as well?
Ear pain can sometimes mean a secondary bacterial infection.
Then I would definitely need some strong antibiotic medicine.
Only a doctor can give you a prescription for.
I understand. Antibiotics are not for simple viral infections.
Many people make the mistake of asking for them.
I know they don't work against the common flu.
You are a very well-informed patient, I must say.
I read a lot about health and modern science.
Knowledge is the first step to a healthy life.
How long should I wait before calling the clinic?
If you don't feel better in 3 full days,
3 days of resting should be enough for me.
most viruses leave the body within that short time.
I will mark the date on my digital calendar.
I can give you the phone number of the clinic.
That would be a good backup plan to have.
Here's their card with the emergency contact info.
Thank you. I feel much safer with this card.
Hopefully you will not need to use it today.
I hope to be back at work on Monday.
Don't rush back if you still feel weak, Lily.
I will listen to my energy levels very carefully.
That is the smartest way to avoid a relapse.
I had a relapse last year and it sucked.
A relapse is often worse than the first illness.
I will be much more careful this time, Sam.
I will put your medicine in a small bag.
How much do I owe you for all this?
The total comes to $15.50.
That is very affordable for so much helpful help.
Here is your change and your paper medical receipt.
I will put the receipt in my purple hoodie.
Drink plenty of fluids as soon as you arrive.
I will start with a big glass of water.
And remember the honey for your sore red throat.
I will take a spoonful before I go sleep.
I hope you have a very peaceful and quiet.
The pharmacy is starting to get very busy now.
Yes, many people have the same cold this season.
It must be something going around the local school.
Wash your hands often to stop the germ spread.
I have some hand sanitizer in my small pocket.
That is excellent for staying clean while on go.
I am ready to go home and climb bed.
Take care of yourself and get some good rest.
I will see you when I am healthy again.
I look forward to seeing your bright, happy smile.
Goodbye, Sam, and thank you for the great advice.
Goodbye, Lily. Feel better very soon, my dear friend.
I am walking slowly toward the pharmacy's glass door.
The sunlight will feel warm on your tired face.
It is a beautiful day to stay inside, and
Every day is a good day for getting better.
I feel like I am in very good hands.
We are always here to help you with health.
My journey to recovery starts from this very moment.